When you arrive for your service appointment, drive past the front of the building along the side and you'll reach the service department. Once you reach the service bay, pull in either of the first two doors. Once you're inside, one of our porters will come out and greet you and direct the service advisor to you. The service advisor will then ask you some questions about your vehicle, go over the details of your service. After we have the information on your vehicle, the service advisor will guide you to the showroom where there's a waiting area as well as a dining area and cafe. When your vehicle is ready, the service staff will notify you and walk you to your car, which is conveniently parked just outside the front doors. If not, the porters will bring it up for you. We strive to make your service as stress-free as possible so you can drive off into the sunset refreshed and ready for the rest of your day. We look forward to seeing you for your next visit.
Kendall, let's start something great.